Hey guys, Fruit here. Welcome to the demo. I am feeling nostalgic today and I want to build an operating system from scratch. I want you and I to build an operating system from scratch using the newly released Gemini 3.1 Pro in preview mode. So what we're going to use is AI Studio. Is really good for quickly building those applications. It has a good way for deploying them. But building an operating system from scratch, can we do that? Can we really do that? Now, which operating system? Let's pick Windows 95. It's a little bit nostalgic here. You can see what it looks like. It has the start menu. I think most of us just remember this. Not to date myself. Windows 95, Windows Millennium, Windows 2000, all of that. I think it's a little bit nostalgic. So we want to see if we can quickly one shot build this. So let's just see if that's possible and if Gemini 3.1 Pro will allow us to do that. So let me get started with the prompt. And I didn't script this, so we'll literally just making this as we go. I want you to build a clone of the Windows 95 operating system. All the key functionalities should be there. All the apps should be included within that operating system, and they should be functional. In the background of the operating system, I want you to put an image of of space and the white galaxy in the background as the background image of it. So the Notepad, the Internet Explorer, and all the apps that were present in Windows 95 should be there. Think hard, work hard, and make sure we achieve this goal. All right. So that's my prompt. I could go on and on to make it more detailed, but for now, let's see if we can go with that. All right. I'm going to fire this off. It's asking for notifications. Let's cancel. And we might as well go get coffee, come back and see what we get in one shot using Gemini 3.1 Pro in Google AI Studio. So I'll see you back when this comes in on the other side. All right, all right, all right. So that took about 145 seconds. Not too bad if you ask me. 145 seconds. That's less than 3 minutes right there for this to complete. And again, this was a single shot. We started with one prompt, ask it for a clone of Windows 95 with that background, and I specifically wanted the background. I could have gone um, for this teal or whatever color this is in the background, but I didn't want that, so I just wanted something different. And in one shot, let's see what we have. We have a start button that seems to work. I'm just trying to compare it with the start button here. Kind of close. It doesn't have the Windows 95 written vertically here, but it's in the Internet Explorer. Let's open that up. Did it open up? No. The icon definitely looks correct. For sure. Let's see. Notepad. All right. The apps are opening down here, but definitely not showing me the apps. So while I'm interacting with that, I want to just fire off another prompt here. All right, it's good. The apps are opening up, but they're not working. So, for example, Notepad, I cannot see Notepad. Internet Explorer, I open it up, but it's not, the window is not opening. So I'm guessing it's the same thing with the calculator or the Minesweeper game. So make sure you fix it. If I click on the app, it should actually open up the app so I can interact with it. Keep building. All right, so that's my follow-up prompt right there. And let's see, we didn't try the calculator app yet, did it? Because calculator is pretty easy to build. I don't think this is rocket science to do a calculator. So I think for now, it just did the scaffolding. It did not necessarily do much fine settings, but this looks like the Windows I remember. This looks like the Windows we all remember back in the day as well. So there's clearly some work that needs to be done for this to be good. But can you imagine? Can you imagine that today, in this day and age, with one single prompt, you can get this far? You can get this far. Now, I'm not gonna claim that this is anywhere close to an operating system. That would be not realistic in it by any imagination. But still, the fact that with one single prompt, in under 5 minutes, we can get to this point. Just imagine 5 months from now, 12 months from now, a year or 2 or 3 from now, what can we do if this pace of acceleration continues? That is what I want people to think about when we do demos like this. Because you might say, but through, yeah, look, the models are not so good because you did not create the notepad and give you the UI. I get it. I get it. It's a single prompt. It's just where we are right now. Don't look at where the puck is. Look at where the puck is going. I think Wayne Gretzky said that, the hockey player. The puck is definitely going to an unimaginable location. 6 months ago, if you asked me that was this possible with a single prompt to get this, I would tell you absolutely not. Absolutely no way. But here we are. And 6 months from now, where are we going to be? So I make some of these demos is to illuminate on things like this, and I'm very well, I'm very very aware that at some point you might not even need me to make these demos, because the demos will just make themselves, right? It will just show itself if we keep going at this pace. So just thought I'll share that. This will keep working. I don't think I'm going to stick around for the rest of it. Maybe the title of the video was a little bit clickbaity, but I just was blown away, and I thought I would share this experience with you guys. Have you built a website like this? If you build an operating system like this, are you going to start building your own operating system? Let me know in the comment section below. As a matter of fact, because you can deploy this as application, I should expect people to create their websites that look like an operating system. That way, you get to stand out. As a matter, don't if you steal that idea, give me credits, because I think if I'm building a website now, I will want to make it look like, as I'm talking and this finally came in, make it look like this. So anyway, I was gonna shut this off, but now that this came, let's see. Oh, voila! Please subscribe to the channel. And does it save? Nope, it did not save. When I hit save, it's opening save on my desktop for some reason. So do we have save in here? Nope, it doesn't work. But at least you can type. It does look like the notepad. I remember this notepad. I used to use it a lot, and it was this is where I learned typing. How I learned to type, by just typing in the notepad, typing letters and stuff in the notepad. Let's see, Internet Explorer. Whoa! Wow! Can you imagine this this let's see, the birthday surprise. Wow! This is two prompts, guys. This is two prompts, and we are here. Okay, you go back, forward. No, not really working. Oh my. Oh my, I wasn't expecting this at all. I just was not expecting this at all. This would be a good idea for a website. Just design your website like this with a homepage and stuff. I think it's cool. Let's see. The time and the settings don't work over there. Calculator should obviously work. The very basic calculator. Let's do 5 times 5. Let's clear that. 5 times 5 equals. No, it's not work. The functions don't work. 5. All the functions don't work. Unfortunately. Still close. Let's see. We've looked at that. Let's see the Minesweeper game. I did not play this game, so I'm not very good. But it seems to be there seemed to be a game and expression. Oh wow. 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 All right. I could be here all day long. But I will see if you guys go check it out. Gemini 3 Pro. One shot. I know it's a clickbait, but one shot you can build an entire operating system from scratch. If this doesn't blow your mind, I don't know what will. As always, this is Fro here with Fro Dev. Thank you for watching and sticking with us to the end. Share this with somebody that might get value out of this. Share this with somebody that deserves to be amazed by where we are with technology. I will see you in the next demo.